Hey guys, so today I have for you one of my last assignments for the My Digital Communication 2 class. This is going to consist of what I had since the very beginning, plus a script that they wanted us to do. So let me just go ahead and start up by showing you my very first set of set of things that I had to work in. So my very first is going to be my billboard. This is my Angelita's Casa de Cafe. What I started out by doing was by relocating the coffee beans plus my text. I wanted to go ahead and give it an illusion of, making everything look equal and balanced, as well as showing you guys my new logo. Then we do have, okay, so for the second logo, we also do have the coffee beans with the logo in the front, and then I just decided to place everything a little bit more concrete, so a little bit more in center. Then I did want to go ahead and make another card. For this card, what I decided to do was just pretty much get some coffee beans, pretty much, get some different ideas for the coffees. And so I came up with this one picture I stumbled upon that through Google, and I thought that it would be really cool for a little business card. Then I did go ahead and also work on the poster. So for this, what I did was use the new logo, of course, and just work with the colors. I wanted to go ahead and give it more dimension, give it a little bit of a popish color. So what I decided to do was go with the same background, go ahead and use the color that I have for the coffee cup, and pretty much for the letters, I just wanted to go ahead and make it stand out a little bit more. So I used an orange for the background and then a navy blue for the front, plus my coffee word, and make coffee great again, just because, that's something that they would actually think is kind of funny. Let me see. Then for my envelope, I did also want to go ahead and do my envelope. I just went ahead and recentered everything in the middle, as well as place in the little tag over here. And then for my letterhead, I just wanted to go ahead and make it a little bit more concrete over with my flyer. So I did go ahead and put up the background for the flyer in the back, although of course it could go ahead and still have more space and have the enough space so that they could go ahead and write something in, as well as place in a brown box in the bottom, just so that they could go ahead and have the information and have the logo on the top in the center. Of course, this is my new logo. What I did with this was pretty much just pinch in the ribbon so that it could look a little bit more fancy, I guess, and then pretty much place in it and just separate the Angelita's Casa de Cafe logo, just because I thought that it would actually look a little bit more concrete and it would actually look a little bit better. Then for my t-shirt design, I just decided to expand the words a little bit more, just so that, the consumer or the customer could actually go ahead and read them. This one's just more of a fun text. And for this one, I wanted to go ahead and give it more of a more professional looking. So I thought that they could go ahead and write up the little tag name of the person that they wanted in the bottom of here, and then the back, of course, it's a welcome home. This would be more for a staff shirt, I guess. And the same thing for the second poster. For this poster, it would be where the copy lives, and so of course it's welcome home. So Angelita's Casa de Cafe, you get the pun. So yeah, that's pretty much what I have for you. Thank you so much, and have a great day.